for carousels, right? So carousels are most used elements in your UI library, and designers use them for a lot of purposes, for marketing banners, for product images, and for any sort of multiple images where real estate is less. Then carousel help you a lot. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create carousels with 3 different interactions. To start with the carousel, I think we should have few things, and I'm gonna create 2 kinds of carousel, one for images and one for product images. And the first one, I think we have these 6 images and 6 product images of same headphone. And to do that, I have copied a screen from my previous video, and I'm just gonna make carousel of this image. So we have just one as of now, and we can have multiple, and then we'll prototype these in a way that it will move automatically after some delay. And second would be while someone can just swipe it, and they would move left and right. And then third interaction could be a small arrow button with through which you can click and the images will move left and right. So 3 kind of interaction we are going to make. So let's just prepare everything for prototype. To make it work, I'll just rename them. So group rename, I'll just number them 1 to 6. Now 2 things which I can do. I want to slide one by one. So I need a strip, and then it will move one by one. And to do that, I can simply create an auto layout of these images. I'll give them gap of, let's say, 8 pixels, no other gap, and this will be our base canvas. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create another container. I'll just make it smaller and I'll clip the content. Great. Now we have our external container over here, and I'll just rename this slide 1. Okay, the internal container, I would rename it main container. Okay, now I'll create 6 slides over here and slide these to next slide till here. Okay, now third, great. Now we have 6 slides. What we are gonna do, we are gonna create a component set from here, and I'm going to add prototype to these. So from 1 to 2, and it could be on click or without click. So I'm hoping I'll just create on drag. Nope, on drag we can do, so that would be more different. That means we can have 4 kinds of interactions, right? So on click, or I would just say after delay. Let's make the first one interactive. Smart animate, right? Change to slide 2, and I would give it many seconds. 1 second would be more, 500 milliseconds. And ease in and ease out. And no, this is the delay, right? So delay would be 2 seconds, or let's say 3 seconds. I would give it 3 seconds. Interaction would be 5 milliseconds, and I will do it for all of them. And from here, I think I'll reconnect back, and I'll give it how many seconds on click? No, after delay, and I would give it 3 seconds. But for interaction, I'll just give it 5 milliseconds because I wanted it to be quick, not show everything going back. Okay, now to view this prototype, I can just simply import it from here, and I have carousel, and I can import it here and replace it. Great. Let's just center it, and let's look at the prototype. This is my prototype. Let me just choose device to iPhone 14, and see, I'm not clicking anything, and it's moving on its own. Oh, it's got stuck here. Oh, we do not have any interaction. My goodness. So after delay, it should have 300 seconds, 3000 milliseconds, and 500 millisecond over here, and done. Let me just redo it. Okay, should work. And yeah, so that's our interaction style 1. Okay, now I'm going to increase height of the page and add more, and I'll just write here auto scroll. Now let's create our another component, and in prototype I think every bit is there. We just need to add click button. Cool. So we'll have one back and one forward button. How should we integrate it here? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them here. On click of these two, they should interact. So copy, paste, 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 and paste. Now I'll remove all other interaction from here. Remove interactions. Great. Now on click of this one, it should go here. So tap, auto animate, and on click of this, it should go here. Similarly, right, and this will be left. Similarly, this will be left, and this will be right. Let's look at our second carousel, which is button controlled. Now let's create the third one, and we'll see both of them or all of them together. So I'll create a copy of first one, and instead of delay we can have drag, right? So drag, we can do it for all these. So I'll drag, and this should be drag as well. Let's see what happens. I'm not very sure. So component 4 would be for drag, and okay, and then finally we'll have a swipeable carousel, right? And for that we do not need much. We just need one of it. We need to detach it, and we have just one component. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna place it here, and I want things to be little visible. So here and here, right? We can do those things for these as well, but I'm not sure how much I should keep it. And in prototype we can simply do a horizontal scroll. Now for the best part. Okay, so for the prototype we have auto scroll, right? I'm not clicking anything. We have our button control, and for our drag we click and swipe, click and swipe, click and swipe, and that's how it's working. Okay, if we could do something like auto delay as well plus drag, how lot of good carousel are made, that would be great. And for the last one, it's just simple scroll. So yeah, that's what you learned. Now I'm going to create a carousel for this one as well, because next video would be on product cards. Okay, all right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe, and till then, bye bye. See you in the next one.